Right, I just thought I'd do a short video today as on the latest firmware for the Action 4 version 01.04.0510. This optimizes the processing algorithm which is going to upgrade the image quality when recording 30 frames per second or lower. So I've done a few video demonstrations today at 1080 HD, 2.7K and 4K, all filmed in 30 frames per second. What I've filmed is the exact same subjects before the update and then, as you'll see, after the update. Please feel free to pause the video at any moment and then you'll really be able to see the difference in the before and the after. As you'll see from the before footage, it kind of looks more soft, and then after the update you'll be able to see greater detail in the picture to the right, especially on the wood grain. I filmed all these clips on a super bright day and kept the camera in auto mode straight out the box basically, just so it's a fair comparison test. The last one here on the foliage, I've just done it in 4K as I didn't see much difference in the 1080 and the 2.7K. So that's just a short video today. I think it's one of the quickest ones I've ever done. If you can see any slight differences in the footage apart from the wood grain there, just be sure to leave a comment down there and I'll get back to you what I think as well. So for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.